So let's continue with our page creation. If you remember, this is exactly where we stop, where we also add our bio. So the next time we're going to do is to put your website. Okay, let's have a website. This is where you put the website, but we've not created a website. But I tell you what, we are going to create a website for this as well. So by the time we get to that, maybe if you don't have to create a website, then you can know how to create a website. In fact, we are going to use a free Google website, okay? Because Google has a way, they have pages that you can use your template and create a website that you can use to sell your product without having to go and buy hosting from Hostinga or from Namecheap and the rest of them. Because there you pay in dollars, but if you use Google, it's free. You use Google, create your website and start working with it for some time. Then when you start making money, you can now go ahead and bring out a professional website by buying a host and the rest of them, okay, domain name and the rest of them. So if you are ready for that, I am ready for you. So this class is going far. Don't take it for granted. You have a lot to learn from me, okay? All I need from you is like, comment and share, okay? Promote this page, promote this training, let people know about it. So having said that, let's come back to our class. So when we create that website, we'll come over here and put it, but for now leave it. So next we're going to do is to come over here where you put your country. You click here, you choose your country. Are you from US, from Ghana, Nigeria, Australia, any country you think you are from? Just select, okay? Scroll down and select your country. For me, I've selected Nigeria, which is NJN. So the next you put your phone number, okay? Just so that they can easily contact you with that number, okay? So I'm going to put my phone number. Yeah, so I put the number and then email address. This email will serve as email that they will use to contact you. So I come over here to my email, then check this out, then copy this, okay? You see what I did? So if you know your email address, you can just write it, but in case you didn't grab it or maybe you don't want to make any mistake, just come over to your email, click on it. There will be a drop down menu. In that drop down menu, you see the email address. Just copy it, come back here and paste it. Isn't this simple? So that is our email address. Then location, where are you writing from, or where is your place? Okay, so I put location here. Location, it doesn't mean it should be genuine, it can be anywhere, maybe your shop, your offices, or any location that you think of, okay? But at least should be something that you are using, because remember, as time goes on, you will see come back to do verification, okay? And maybe in case maybe when you go to stage of monetization, it might matter, so be sure of what you are doing and what you are putting, okay? So I'll just put this for now. Later on we can change it, okay? So you can change it later on. So let me put Lagos, Nigeria, okay? So we'll continue to the next one. It says town or city, of course. It says Lagos, okay? Hours, in case if it's a physical product like mine, you have to put your hours, but if it's digital product, you may not need to put hours, okay? You may not need to put location. So but if you are selling both online and physical location, then you can put your location, okay? So I'll put number of hours and always open, okay? Open as selected hours. So if you put always open, that means they will say as always open. Click open as selected hours, then you now choose those selected hours. You see, it will bring you here for you to choose the selected hours that you are open for business, okay? But normally it's good to do it this way, because you can open from 24 hours of the day. After all, if somebody want to buy something around 12, can you give it to them? But if you are online, you can sell 24 hours of the day. You can sell around the clock, okay? So it depends on where you are, the place you are dealing with, where you are selling from, and stuff like that. As for me, I'll put always open, okay? Because I know that this is going to be online. You can easily have it all the time. So when you are through with all of this, you go back to cross check what you did. If there's any mistake, you correct it. If there's no mistake, After checking, you click next. Okay, so like, okay, so now come to where we can put our page. Okay, now comes to where we can put our page. Okay, so you can add profile picture. That's the first thing. Remember, we created this profile picture from Canva. So if you forgot how I do it, I will include it here, or just ask for it. I'll send the video for you so I can go and learn how to create this on Canva. Okay, to create something like this from Canva, very beautiful, very great, very classic. Okay, then cover picture. We use this for cover picture so that there will be kind of uniformity. Okay, yeah, you see it. So sometimes they may give you opportunity for you to bring it down a little, bring it down a little. Bring it down a little. If it didn't work, you can also go to where you created like Canva, and then reduce the size on Canva. To reduce the size on Canva, you still come over here and bring it down. It will still work. Okay, so you can go to Canva, increase it a little so I can copy everywhere, and then you come over here and paste it. So I think it's better we do that. Okay, maybe later I will do that later on, but that's exactly what you can do. Okay, so once you're through, add action button. So this action button will help you to customize. Okay, so is it going to be book now, check-in, sign up? For example, if it's something that has to do with maybe file product like contact form and stuff like that, sign up something, you just click on it, tell them to sign up. If it's hotels, if it's reservation, if it's stories of a thing, you can use book now. So depending on what you are doing, okay, that's when you know the one you use here. Then if it's maybe like product that you are selling, you can use WhatsApp message. Okay, send WhatsApp message. So that goes a long way. Then if something that require you people calling, you can use call now. Okay, so if something that you want them to just click and learn more, you use learn more button. So when they click on learn more, it take them straight to your learn more button. Okay, there's something that you want them to buy, you click on buy now. And once they click, they can easily buy the product immediately. Okay, so you see those are things that you need to use and put. Okay, I may start to use buy now, but later on I can change it to any other thing. Okay, let's see what they will say, if we can change it or not. Okay, what tool do you want to connect your button to? So you now decide the tools. Okay, if somebody want to buy it, which tools are you going to use to connect the person to? So because of these tools, we have to go back and maybe change and use something else. Okay, try it. You see what I'm doing, you click on it, you click on try it. So let me use message on WhatsApp message. Okay, send message on WhatsApp, and that will be better. So I'll just put my phone number and the WhatsApp we pick. Okay, yeah, this is the number. You see, it's very simple. Then once they will send you a code, you reply the code just for them to know that it belongs to you. Okay, so let's wait for their code to come. Once the code come, I'm going to add it up there and then use it. Okay, so let's just hold on a little and see. Let me receive the code and then input the code. Okay, so the code has been sent. Let me go to my WhatsApp. Yeah, I was actually thinking that they'll send it to phone, but they didn't. They sent it to my WhatsApp. So this is the code. Let me copy it. Okay, and let me copy selection. Then we go back to the place. Okay, come back to and then paste it there. Okay, Ctrl V, Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste, and then you click next. Okay, so they don't waste time. It's just within few seconds and the code comes in, and immediately you pick it up. Okay, and paste it. So let's see what next. So this is how you create it, just straight, stage by stage, step by stage, till you get to the final stage. Okay, Very simple, very easy. So with this, I don't think you have any problem creating a page henceforth. Okay, let's wait a little for it to come up. Slide network is a little bit slow today, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. And with this, anybody can do it. Okay, anybody. And don't forget, I've told you how you can actually create your page, your banner and stuff like that. So create posts that are direct to WhatsApp. You can run it later. Yeah, just want to test run what we did. Okay, so we just want to test run it. So I can just say okay, get WhatsApp message, and then you now create any post at all, like welcome to Ceiven accessories. Okay, so just this. Okay, well, we want to run a sample. Okay, and you send. Who can see it? You say everyone. Okay, everyone can see it. So don't worry, when next time when we are through with this, I'll show you how you can actually boost, or you can how you can make your post to go viral by doing things like this. Okay, by doing things like this, so that when you create any post, everyone around will see it. Okay, so this post right now we also go to WhatsApp, just for us to make sure that everything is working fine. So if you check, we've actually create something nice. So this is just for us to go to Canva and then increase this so I can cover the whole page. Okay, and once you're able to create something like this, you are good to go. So in our subsequent class, we'll now go to how we can actually like about us, follow us and stuff like that. We'll keep on building this until it goes to the real stage. And meanwhile, if you come over here, you see that they are showing us our head, page heads. They say it's fair because we still have something to do. Say compared to similar pages with high engagement. Okay, so if you know that we still have a lot to do, so we can be like those pages had high engagement, so we can actually start getting that same kind of engagement like them. So in our next class, we keep on optimizing this page that we just create, which is exactly how you can create a page. So next, for you to optimize the page, set everything up, go to settings and stuff like that. So see you in that class, and please don't forget, follow us, like, share, comment. Okay, thank you.